Hello, good people out there in YouTube land. This is going to be a really short video, I think, uh, about one impact wrench, but I have two. The Day Plus on my left, which I bought in 2020, that was rated at 420 Newton meters, which is about 300 and something foot pounds. And the one on my right is the Mustool, rated at 1,000 Newton meters, which is about 730 or 40 foot pounds, that I bought both off of eBay. And the Mustool just came today, so we're going to just take a look at it real quick and see if it's any good. Okay, the Day Plus, when I ordered it in 2020, was about 73, 74 bucks. Came with the impact, one battery, and 4 sockets, and the tube of grease here, which I have not used yet. The Day Plus has definitely been a workhorse for me. I've done struts, shorts, struts, shocks, brake work, a lot of do-it-yourselfer stuff. That's what I am. So it's been getting me through. Every now and again, I might run into a lug or two that the Day Plus just wouldn't break, which is why I ordered the Mustool, which is supposed to be significantly stronger. The Mustool came with the impact, charger, 2 batteries, and then sockets, and the little drill bit thingy, and then the other thingy for using hex type bits and all of that kind of crap. So we are going to take a look at the Mustool, not the Day Plus. The Day Plus has proven itself. I just wanted something stronger. Okay, got the Day Plus and the Mustool right here, both with 17 mil sockets on them. My Day Plus, it's just got a power bar indicator, light button that you can turn the light on, whereas the Mustool has a power bar indicator and variable settings from high, medium, and low, so you can adjust the settings on the Mustool. Both batteries are full, so we'll take a look at them and see what happens on the lug nuts on my car. Okay, recently had my tires changed, and the folks at the tire shop put my tires on with the air impact, which is a lot stronger, of course, than my cordless impact. So we're actually going to see how it does. I'm expecting the Day Plus to struggle with it, but the Mustool at 700 plus foot pounds, it should break those lugs if that 1,000 Newton meters is actually available on the tool. Okay, both have full batteries. Again, the Day Plus was about $74 on eBay, and the Mustool was $87 with 2 batteries and all the accessories that you saw. So we're just going to see how they do with the lugs that were tightened with the air impact. Day Plus. Okay, Day Plus got that one out. That one. And struggle with one. And that one one's rated at 420 Newton meters. Now we're going to try this one rated at 1,000 Newton meters. The Mustool. Okay, looks like the battery went out on the Mustool, even though it was showing full. But the batteries are the same on both impact. So I'll take the battery of the Day Plus and put on the Mustool. Try it again. And at 1,000 Newton meters, the Mustool doesn't budge a single lug. So my advice is don't waste your money on this 1,000 Newton meter Mustool impact, unless I just got a bad one.